review on this and let you know how it works for my nails. I have a new drill. This is a variable speed rotary detail carver, and it says that it can be used for carving, engraving, rooting, grinding, sharpening, sanding, polishing, drilling, and more. 9-volt adapter, variable speed from 3,000 to 20,000 RPM. And a lot of other things. It's lightweight. It has accessories. So let's just go ahead and open this up and see how it is. I'm going to use them on my full set that I just did with my Mia Secret acrylic powder. It comes with different drill bits, a drill which has an on and off button, and this is also where you do the variable speed, usage instructions, and an AC/DC power adapter. Okay, so now I have it plugged in, but one thing I don't care for about this drill is that the cord is extremely short, so I'm using an extension cord, but all is well now, so let's just see. So to turn it on, you can hear the motor, okay? And then now I'm turning it down. So it definitely has different speeds. Now I'm going to go ahead and mess around with the bit pieces and see how to get it in. And also when you look at your pieces, you can see the different layers of grit. So this is the finer grit all the way down to the more coarse, rougher grit. So the instructions doesn't say how to insert the build grit, but I found out how. So what you're going to do is press down this button and unscrew this silver piece. And then you go ahead and put your drill in, your drill bit. And then you can go ahead and tighten it. And then after it's nice in there and snug, you let this go, and definitely don't push this down when you're using it for your drill. Now I'm a little nervous, but let's go ahead and see how this works. So this $9 drill is extremely strong in comparison to the other one that I was using. Let me let y'all hear it again, okay? And this says 100 to 240 volt for a manicure, 550 to 60 hertz for a pedicure. But look, let me let y'all hear it one more time from the beginning speed to the end speed. Okay, so you hear the power in that, like, that's crazy. And this does plug up, even though I said I don't like the shortness, I have it plugged into an extension cord, so no big deal. But this little thing right here is powerful. So it was some mixed reviews on Amazon, even though overall it has a pretty good rating. I give this actually, like, I would say a 4.5 stars. And the reason I give it a 4.5 is because of the shortness of the cord. But this is excellent, and it's pink. So that definitely doesn't hurt, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my nails off camera, but I'm going to come back and show you the finished results. So I just finished using this drill, and honestly, for the price, I have to retract on what I say. I got to give this a 5-star. I'm going to actually rate it myself on Amazon.com since I found it on there, as well as Top Hatter. But this is 5-star. I was literally using this for probably about 30-45 minutes, and it does get a little hot, but not really. You know, I use it on a reasonable setting for myself. My nails are extremely smooth. I got to use the tips also on the other side, the underside of the nail, and I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna buff my nail after this and get ready to do my paint job. But this is the best drill that I've ever used, and I really can't believe how good it is for the price.